This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the MetaMask wallet app. First, download the official MetaMask extension for your browser or the mobile app. Once installed, you will either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. Remember, this 12-word phrase is your master key. Keep it absolutely secure and never share it with anyone. This initial setup is crucial for your digital asset safety. Now that your wallet is set up, let's get some funds into it. Find your unique public wallet address, which always starts with 0x at the top of the MetaMask interface. You can then send cryptocurrency, like Ether, from a centralized exchange or another wallet to this address. Always double-check that you are on the correct network, for example, the Ethereum mainnet, to avoid losing your assets during transfer. MetaMask truly shines when interacting with decentralized applications, or dApps. To connect, simply navigate to your desired dApp in your web browser. Look for a Connect Wallet button, typically located in the top right corner of the dApp's interface. Click it, and MetaMask will prompt you to approve the connection. This links your wallet to the dApp, allowing you to participate in its features securely. Finally, sending cryptocurrency or tokens is straightforward. Within MetaMask, click the Send button. Enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you wish to transfer. Before confirming, carefully review all transaction details, including the estimated gas fees, which are the network costs. Once you are satisfied, confirm the transaction, and it will be broadcast to the blockchain for processing, usually within minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.